Yes, my name is Fatma Al-Mazroui. I'm the head of Smart Project Support Cross-Section and Smart Services, GTRFA. Today we have the Smart Tunnel, which is a new service that we're providing in the near future. It is basically a service where a person can use the tunnel in order to recognize. The person can go in the tunnel. The first thing is that their iris details are taken and recognized. While they're walking in the tunnel, their facial recognition is taken. At the end of the tunnel, they are pre-cleared and can head along into duty-free.
When can we expect to see this happening?
We don't have a definitive date by now, but the project will be established in the near future at Dubai airports.
How many cameras does this whole system have?
The system has more than 10 cameras inside that will be iris on the go and facial cameras to take the whole facial recognition of the person.
Does this also help to identify criminals?
No, only people who are registered to use the tunnel can use the tunnel in the near future in the airport. So everyone has to register in order to use the tunnel. The same concept applies to the smart gates.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.